Bro, you were right, I suck at this game.
It's not supposed to be easy.
We interrupt this programming that you weren't watching for Obama to say something mildly important.
My fellow Americans, tonight I can announce that my score in Flappy Bird is 759. If you can beat that, you will get $10,000. That is all. We now return you to whatever it was that you were doing.
Hey, I could use a new job and some money. Couldn't get on Flappy Bird this morning.
It's gone.
What?
It's gone. They removed it from the App Store.
God damn.